Is that young TREY?
When I catch that nigga Huncho, yeah, it's DOA for him. He got hit up with them bullets, so it ain't no saving him. Caught him lacking in that field, now they engraving him. Hollows ripping through his chest, yeah, it's enraging him. So my shooter spin his block, yeah, we erasing him. Left his body on the scene, ain't no explaining him. He tried to run, but he got clipped, now they blaming him. Caught his homies lacking too, yeah, we caging him. We caging him. We cage him. All that talking on the net, yeah, couldn't save him. Save him.
Save him. Save him. Save him. Yeah, bro. Now you did that split, nigga. Huncho, what happened? You couldn't even save your old son. He got done by himself. That's so bad, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man.
We caught that nigga R, left him bleeding on the scene. Chopper singing like a choir, turned his block into a dream. What happened, Ramon? What happened, Ramon? Hollows hit him, now he gone. Couldn't stitch it with a seam. I be talking on the net, but they ain't really with the team. Spin they block and double back, we turn night to Regime. If they want it, they can get it. Yeah, we ruthless with that beam. Told my dogs to keep it steady, let it blow just like a stream. Just like a stream. Ramon, Ramon, Ramon.